What's going on, nieces and nephews? Uncle Phil here, back today for another Sprint Booster install video. Today we've got a brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Now, if you've owned one of these trucks, these make awesome work trucks, but you might have noticed something from the factory. There's a lot of delay. It will affect your get up and go. Today we're going to be installing the Sprint Booster V3 to eliminate all of that delay, recalibrate the throttle, and get the pedal response on this truck nice and crisp. It's going to allow us to basically overtake traffic on the highway a lot easier and just get up and go from a red light a lot easier. Let's just jump right into it. Now, the first step you're going to want to do is take your key fob out of your pocket, and you're going to want to put it at least 20 feet away. Now, the second step for this GMC Sierra 1500 is you're going to want to locate the gas pedal located in the footwell. Now, if you look above the pedal assembly, you're going to notice a wiring harness, and you're going to go in there, you're going to unclip that harness. Now, take your Sprint Booster out of the box and attach your selector switch to the Sprint Booster assembly. Now, for the fourth step, you're going to want to put that Sprint Booster assembly in line to the pedal assembly and the harness. Now, click each of these connectors together. For the fifth step, you're going to want to run the selector switch up from the pedal assembly to your dash. Turn on your Sprint Booster by pressing the silver button and toggle through all the modes. The green light represents sport mode, the red light represents race mode. In each of these modes, you've got 9 settings to toggle through. That about wraps up today's install on this 2022 Sierra 1500 AT4. Let us know in the comments how easy it was for you to install your Sprint Booster. Remember to follow us on Sprint Booster USA on Instagram and Sprint Booster USA on Facebook. And check out our website at sprintboosterusa.com.